Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit your Ecwid store, so let's get right into it. As you can see here, currently I'm on my Ecwid dashboard, and I can set up my store once I've created an account and went through the questionnaire. I can use this to-do list to edit everything. However, you have this whole left sidebar, which you can use, of course, to set everything up. You can go into catalog, go into products, and add new products if you wish. You can go into marketing, create a new marketing campaign, which you can use to promote your store. And you can also go to payment to add any payment methods which you might want. And you can go to shipping and pickup and set up any shipping and pickup options that you want. To edit your actual storefront and what your site looks like, you can go into website, click on edit site, and it'll open up your site editor, which looks like this. Now, of course, this is a starter site. I haven't made any changes yet. So once this loads up, you'll see exactly what it looks like. You can most likely change your themes. You can change the site appearance, the site content, as well as the site URL, SEO settings, advanced settings, etc. And as you can see, you need to start with a template. So for example, let me apply this template right over here. And once that's applied, you can then start to actually set up your storefront. Now everything is in Polish because my site has been set up for Poland, but you can just edit everything you want. Just click on it and add the information that you want, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.